Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called bento.me. So this website can be used to generate your a bio link. Bio link is something which you can put in your social media profiles, where you can come and you can put various things, whether it will be support my art links, or it could be your entire portfolio, all your social media profiles, your tweets, some tutorial videos you have, some courses and products and services that you want to sell in Gumroad. All those things you can come and put in here. So I will show you some of the profiles here. You can put your videos, podcasts, everything in one single place. So if it is Calendly, you can put in your Calendly link here so that people can book a session with you. You can put in the maps to your location or the place. All those things you can do it in this platform. So I'll show you some of the portfolios. Let me pick up few random ones here. Now if you see here, this person has put in UI, UX, UI designer, social media profiles, LinkedIn profiles, the mentions in LinkedIn, talks and presentation, projects that they have. So similarly, this is product designer. I put in his CV, medium links, work experience, some design works that he has. Similarly, if somebody is having somebody is selling some products in, let's say, Gumroad, I think this is the one to link. You can put in that too. So in that way, you will be able to put all your information in one single link, and you can give it to a person, and that person can come and see it. Rather than creating a personalized website for yourself, this is free. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.